to the virtual. Our designers were so excited by that virtual car that they just had to make a special concept car. Starting with a 503 horsepower, turbocharged V6 with 4-motion all-wheel drive, and it just gets wider as you drive it online. The two-seater shares some GTI looks, but being just slightly 1 meter tall, there is no mistaking this for the production GTI. 20-inch wheels, multiple spoilers and aerodynamic blades all keep this roadster glued to the pavement. And inside, the look is equal parts raw